How to install XPS Viewer in Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to add this feature back to open and view XPS documents. First, click on the Start menu and open Settings. After that, click on System. From there, click on Optional Features. At this point, click on View Features next to Add an optional feature. In the next step, type XPS into the search bar within the pop-up. Following this, check the box next to XPS Viewer. Once done, click Next. From here, click Install. At this stage, make sure you're connected to the internet, since Windows needs to download this feature. Keep in mind, wait a few minutes while the installation completes and you can check progress on the Optional Features page. Finally, once installed, open the Start menu and search for XPS Viewer to launch it and confirm it's working. And that's it. If this guide helped you install XPS Viewer in Windows 11, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.